Hi, this is Marie Lee, and today we will be talking about life skills at home, simple home repair, a simulation by or through Muzzy Lane author. When we first open, we get to choose our player, and today my avatar is going to be Zed the electrician. And so we will continue. Welcome to Life Skills. We are introduced to Adriel the builder, who will guide us through our little simulation adventure. Okay, so we're glad to be here, made the introductions. What life skill would you like to learn first? And you are given a menu. Now within the menu, you can click basically anything you want. Today I'm going to look at plumbing, so I'd like to learn how to fix a clogged toilet. And for everything you'd like to learn, there is a video. So we introduce a video, and students are supposed to watch it. What tools do you need to unclog the toilet? And then it asks you about tools, so that students can gather up the tools. And then the steps of the process. All right. Until the end. And then of course this gives some more cleaning advice that was not shown on the video. Then it wishes them good luck, and it goes through a loop of questions that will happen at the end of all the videos or all of the menu item segments. Then you can go back to the main menu and choose another life skill. In this case, again, I did say we were going to do plumbing today. So you want to learn how to fix a clogged drain, and it tells you why we might have a clogged drain. And then it says to watch the video, and then a new video will pop up, and the student says doesn't seem that hard. And then again, we're introducing the materials. Now this will not allow me to choose all of the materials, but every one of the materials in this particular section are necessary. So a flathead screwdriver can be helpful in prying up the drain, while a crosshead screwdriver will be helpful in removing the screws of the drain. I have the materials gathered. I'm ready to go. And then we ask questions about how to go about doing the activity. Until the activity is completed. And then again we have the looped questions or the loop statements. And once you're finished for the day, you click on that, you submit it, and let me know how your repair turned out. Take a survey, and then you're given your score.